I saw this video online and was wondering if any of you ever tried this when you were a kid. I know we had set up some ramps or some boards on curbs, but I don't think we ever did anything this elaborate. So here's a shout out to Terry Evel Knievel Bollinger, remembering the good old days.
Youngsters that know what they want to do in life from the time they can talk and walk. And I think that must be true of 13-year-old Terry Evel Knievel Bollinger, who set aside today to prove to all he could jump over 10 trash cans with his Junker Special. Terry has worked and planned 3 years to reach the 10 trash can moment very intently the past 6 months. Last week, he jumped 8 cans. His crew, 3 buddies and his brother, worked until 6 this morning getting his bike in shape. The bike? Oh, nothing too special. Made from the parts of several other bikes with special balloon tires. I'm told the special tires help break the fall in the event of a nosedive. There was a small dedicated few on hand for the great moment: Mom, Grandma, and neighborhood friends. Terry, now wearing his orange jumpsuit loaned to him by his mom, sat psyching himself up while the crew worked diligently setting up the jump. Mom on the sidelines, camera in hand. And of course, the media, waiting for this moment of drama on the southeast side of Indianapolis to take place. Just getting yourself tested up, is that right?
Yeah.
How's it gonna look for you?
It's gonna be all right. I'll make it.
Is it? Okay, let's go at it.
Sure. Lucky landing. Yeah.
Right on.
Let's see. Back.
Let's catch this great moment again in slow motion. How you feel?
All right.
You hurt yourself, did you?
No.
What happened?
Maybe my arm.
What happened?
Couldn't get going fast enough. Too big of bearings.
When are you gonna try it again?
Next Monday.
Next Monday. Okay, we'll look for you there.
All right, thanks.
That was young Terry. He made a valiant effort. Didn't quite make it this time, but as he said, he'll be back next Monday. Barbara Boyd for the news, Channel 6.